Beth Rose, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today I made a hovering Fall Guys crown. For those of you who don't know what Fall Guys is, it's a video game. I don't know how to describe it. Anyways, so you want to start off by cutting 4 circles out of a piece of cardboard. Now take 2 circles of blue paper and glue it onto 2 of your cardboard circles. Set all of your circles aside and grab 2 different shades of yellow. I'm going to use the brighter yellow for the base of my crown, but I'm going to do mine a little more precise with a ruler, but you don't have to do this, you can just freehand it. If you're going to freehand it, cut a long strip of yellow and then cut triangles out of the top. After I cut out my crown, I'm going to take it and measure out the length on the darker yellow and then use a strip of that for detailing. Now glue this little strip on the base of your crown a little bit from the bottom. Paint the strip with more glue and then add glitter on it. Now I'm going to outline a little bit of the triangles at the top of my crown and then paint it with glue and then glitter. Now I'm going to glue it together. Then I'm going to take one of the regular bases and I'm going to smear glue all over it, and then I'm going to take one of my blue circles and place it on top. Before you glue it together, make sure to punch 4 holes in the blue circles. Glue the circles together, fill the holes with hot glue, and stick 6-inch rods in them. rods and stick them through the 4 holes on the other blue circle and make sure it's flush. You don't want it going out too far or you don't want it too shallow. Then to put a dollop of glue on top of each rod. Glue 4 little sections of fishing line to the inside of your crown and thread it through a needle and through the top of your cylinder. Last thing to do is glue on the top, add some glitter and a few finishing touches, and it's all done. Here it is. It looks fantastic, and this might be the coolest project I've done yet. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day!